just want to show you, we just put everything out. This Audi Allroad here, A4 Allroad, I think this one here, this model, 2-liter turbo. So what we're doing is the diesel, so we're just actually doing the timing belt because the water pump's leaking. Water pump down here, see how it's leaking down there? Pretty bad. So to do that, you're going to take everything apart. The whole front end's got to come off here, and we're going to actually move the front end off, disconnect a lot of hoses down here to get to the actual part we're doing. So now we actually need it ready. And what we found is we loosened that one there, but these bolts here are very loose, are very they're not even that tight. If you look, I'm not even trying to actually move it, it just comes off. So this is probably been done before, I'm not sure who done it, but these bolts here are not even tight. Look at that, that's very loose. So now we're going to just loosen this, that one there, that one there, that one there, this one here, and now we're going to take the belt off, take the tension off here, down here, and then take the water pump out, and then put everything back together. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.